today we're going to our broker open house, going to ShopRite to pick up some breakfast to serve to agents that stop by, yogurts, muffins, that kind of thing, and follow us along. Houses isn't easy. Sometimes you run out of time, resources, so make sure you budget in everything. Check out our new books, Home Buyer Guides, the stunning kitchen, my website, Making an Offer. I'll bring these guys upstairs, so then there's two of everything. So we've got our MLS sheets, we've got our flyers. We have some open house sign-ins if the people need extra. Day in the life. Broker open house completed. We're gonna put the key back in the lockbox and go to our next destination. Can't wait to see how this weekend's open house turns out. Hopefully fantastic with lots of offers. So we are going to a commercial building that we have for sale. The sign that I put up there a little while ago with all these crazy storms got blown away. Well, it's kind of just messed up. So I bought new signs and we're going to put them up and hopefully get some really good marketing and exposure for this building. We're gonna be on our vlog, our video vlog today, helping me. Well, I bought 3. This will be pretty.
Nice. Oh, there's a big sign.
All right, today we put up some new signs for our commercial building because they were getting a little old, so gotta keep it fresh. Thank you to my dad and Jonathan for helping with the signs today. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my. An eventful day.